up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'll be playing with Winter VR. Shout out to him. Go subscribe to him. He is a player. Where are we gonna be playing today?
Either Monkey on the Shelf or we're just gonna be doing 1v1.
All right. Well, I'm not even that good, to be honest. So I guess we can do Monkey on the Shelf and 1v1. But you're gonna win because I'm not even that good. So why don't we get right into it? But I don't know how we're gonna get how many people do we got? We gotta check how many people. We only got 2 people.
Like 3 people.
Yeah, we only got 2. So I don't know how we're gonna play it. I guess if we lose, it's the other person's turn. Alright, let's get ready. Come on. Come on.
What's up, everybody? Today we're playing with
Rainy VR.
Rain VR.
Rainy.
I found him a public code.
Rainy VR.
We want to play. We agree.
Hey guys, subscribe to Rainy VR. Subscribe to Rainy VR.
Oh yeah. Subscribe to him.
It's my username right here.
Right there. And also, you guys know what my YouTube name is. Go ahead, click that like button and subscribe. I'm at 1,000 subscribers right now. Let's try to make it to 5,000 next week. Oh, not next week. Before 2025. At least. We will make it to 1 million one day. One day. But today we're gonna be playing Monkey on the Shelf. I guess I'm it first.
Yep.
And then there's only 2 of us, so we might be doing some 1v1s or some glitches or some stuff.
Oh, I got a new glitch, guys, to teach y'all. I got a new glitch to teach y'all. Y'all want to go under this thingy, right? Hold your arms down, like your controller's down, and then press the Oculus button.
Yeah.
And then you're under the map. See, you're under the map. Well, I think they patched it. So it doesn't work.
Yeah, I can't do it.
Yeah, it don't work.
Well,
I thought that, but it worked for it worked today.
Yeah.
They must have patched it quick.
You want to be it first, or you want me to?
You can be it.
But yeah, go ahead, go subscribe to Rainy.
Yep. And my viewers, subscribe to Winter VR. Or Winter, you can call him wherever.
Delete this. I delete this. Can't get on this.
You delete that? I bet.
There you go. I'm watching you.
Get out of the way so I don't get accidentally tagged.
Nice. Ooh.
I touched it.
Oh yeah.
No. You can't touch the floor when you're when you made it. Take it back. Alright, what are you gonna remove next?
This whole thing.
Alright, that?
This whole thing. Oh, nice.
Oh, this is gonna be hard. I didn't touch it. I did not touch it.
Nice. Jeez, okay. Mini games kid over here.
I'm not mini games kid. I'm just good.
I delete. All the walls.
Oh, come on now.
Every single
But
wall.
you can't delete all the walls. You delete one certain wall.
Okay.
Because I cannot get anywhere else without a wall.
Actually, no. These two walls.
Oh, come on. You can only delete one thing.
Okay, I delete this wall.
Alright. This is gonna be hard. I can't count because that's not this ain't
I know. Yeah, I know.
the city or the shop.
Oh yeah, and you guys go subscribe to my Twitch at It's
Come
at Winter VR.
Come on. Come on.
We've
Come
gotten
on.
pretty
Come on.
successful on that Twitch. Probably gonna be deleting it and
Oh.
making a new one because
I made it.
because I made something weird and I almost got banned on there. Or someone did something weird on one of my videos.
Mm.
Okay, I delete this wall now.
Okay, where can I go? Oh, wait, well, wait a minute. Does that floor piece count as a wall?
Yes, this floor counts. Yes, this floor counts.
How am I gonna get over?
You can still go on this and like go like that.
I'm not that good. I'm not that good like that. I hit something. Alright, your
That was
turn.
like impossible. Okay.
Alright. Start off hard. I delete this whole wall.
Okay.
Well, it's not gonna be hard, but it's not gonna be. It'll be kind of easy.
I didn't talk.
Well, I'm enjoying this speed boost right now. I'm enjoying this speed boost. You made it. Good job.
And by the way, guys, I'm probably gonna change my character because I'm about to get like a lot of cosmetics.
Alright, I delete this.
So.
This whole thing.
Ow.
Bro, you
Okay,
did it
yes.
to me.
I did do it to you.
And that ruined me. You could eat this whole wall. Okay. Why don't you do the strat that I did? Stick my hand through the wall.
I made it.
Good job, good job, good job. Bro, you got your whole flag and everything. Bro, I need to buy more cosmetics, but guys, look. I'm broker than a joke.
I only have like 600. Yeah, 600.
I only have
I'm
300.
so poor.
Just half of what you got. Alright.
I'm gonna be.
I delete this whole thingy. This whole thing.
Oh, I act like. Why? Why me? Why you do this to me?
Because you made me do, like, die, basically.
That was actually easy. That was actually so easy.
Okay, I know what else to delete. I delete this.
How dare you? Like, actually, that was so mean. Like,
Bro, you can go on these.
wait, hold on, pause. Can I go on? Yeah, I can go on these? I can go on
Yeah,
these?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I'll let this cheat sleep go by. You can do this. Wait, before you do that, look. You can do this. Oh.
Why you do that so dramatic? Like, why?
What?
That's so mean.
What?
Oh, wait, and also, I could have done this.
Yeah. Alright, what so what are the options?
I am deleting this whole thing, including this.
Alright.
This should be an easy round. Yeah, nice.
I touched it. I can't make it over.
I delete this whole thing. Bop. Oh, now I'm deleting that wall next.
No, why you gotta delete that wall? You always, bro.
Oh, my bad.
The power of the punch.
The power of the punch.
I touched it.
I
You
delete
hit
that
some?
wall.
What wall?
That one.
Alright.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
by the way, comment down below, you guys, what's your favorite mini game?
Yeah, oh, get out of the way.
Favorite mini game? Mini?
No! Come on. Alright, and guys, I'm sorry about the background noise if it's kind of annoying to
I
y'all.
have TV going in my background. I have Jamie and Curly going in my background.
You actually do.
I actually do.
How do you get rid of the background noise?
Take it off?
What, like, is there an option to take it off?
No.
Like in settings or something?
I wish. I actually wish.
Bro, I didn't delete nothing. Alright, what should I delete now?
Delete.
I delete this whole wall.
That whole that's
It should be
that was
easy,
a
bro.
waste. That was a waste of a delete. That was actually such a waste.
Yeah, but like...
I didn't touch.
Okay, did
I
you go
promise you I
like
didn't.
this? Did you go like this? But like...
Yeah, exactly. I didn't touch.
Alright, you
I mean,
didn't
if
touch.
I had legs, I would have touched. If I
Yes.
had legs, I would have touched.
Yes, if you had legs, you would have touched. Good job!
If I had legs.
Wait a minute,
I
how
don't
much
have
is
legs.
this? 2,000?
I'm on fire.
Alright,
Oh.
go to the thing.
That's like the cheapest holdable ever.
What cheap? Yeah, that is the cheapest holdable.
So that's
I
like
gotta eat this whole thing.
garbage. And you deleted this wall, right?
Yeah. It really should be easy. Well, this is my first time ever doing this strat. Put my hand through the wall. But you could go
Is that
on
lonely
these. You
world?
could go on these and leap.
Well, I don't have lava monkey, so I really can't. Wait, hold on. No, pause. I want to see if I can do this. I want to see if I can,
Like go on the
grab
light.
onto the light. Yeah, I want to try to do that.
I don't think you'll be able to
I don't think I would be able to, but yeah. Okay, I'm not. Okay,
yeah.
I'll just go.
You can't it's
No,
like
try that.
there's no. It's not a
Wait,
big
have
enough.
you deleted this? Have you deleted this?
No. You could have done that the
Well,
whole
that's not-
time.
Yeah, that. Oh, I messed up.
You could have done that the
Messed up.
whole time.
Okay. Ready, go. Oh, frick.
Nah, you touched
Nothing
it.
happened. Nothing happened.
No, you touched it.
Nothing happened.
You touched
Okay,
it.
I delete everything on the floor. So if it's touching the floor, it doesn't count.
Wait, what? Now, how am I
Everything
supposed to
touching
do this?
I don't know. Figure it out.
I can't do it.
No, I'm kidding. I delete every. Okay, well you can't. You can delete every wall. You can delete every wall. I delete every wall.
All right.
This should be a super easy challenge.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lonely world.
Bro,
And it's lonely, dark. Bro, you got
power of the power of the
Not letting you
punch.
Bro, this game is too annoying. Come on. I delete this thing.
That whole thing. This don't count in the wall. Ugh. I didn't touch her.
Yes, you did.
No, I
Yes, you
didn't. No, I
I
didn't.
have it on video.
No,
Guys,
you
I
don't.
know
No.
He touched. He touched. Bro, I shouldn't have to
Okay.
be crying. Okay.
Well, I should clear up
Oh,
my.
by the way, guys, also, if you
Okay.
guys want to see Jamie and Curly one day on one of my videos, I'm gonna need a lot of support for that, but
Yeah, you're gonna.
eventually, if you want him on one of my videos,
But why do I keep hitting something? Alright, I gotta get away from that item that empty.
delete something.
I gotta eat all the walls. Generally should be.
Mean. Bro, get out of my way. Out of my way! Why no? Because I deleted all the walls and you jumped like this.
No, that was the other round.
Oh, okay. Then I restart. Let me restart.
And
Let me
then
restart, I say.
power the
Then
punch.
restart. Okay, I go in now.
He broke my whole neck.
Nope.
Wait, I deleted all the
Not doing that.
walls. You
Yeah,
touched the
but
wall.
This don't count. This don't
Yes, it
count on the
does.
wall.
But you say it
That
counted.
don't count. That
Come
don't
here.
count. That don't count.
Come here.
Lock! I locked my door. I locked my door.
You didn't lock the window. Boom.
What the hell? Okay, let's go do some 1v1s.
Alright, I'm gonna be
1v1.
bad.
You are gonna be bad. Like me.
Alright, let's go forest. Let's go forest.
Oh wait, look. Yeah. No, let's go canyons. Look, this is the best hiding spot ever.
Yeah, it is. One time somebody tricked me, and I didn't think they were up there.
I have the power.
Where you at?
I'm in the wind tunnel. I have the power. Oh, you know how to have the power. You want to get out the map? You want to get out the map?
Huh?
Do you want to go to beach area?
Yeah, go.
Let me go? Go beach. Go
I'll beat you there.
Well, not, because I'm the beachiest beach man in the world. I'm the beach man. I go to the beach.
Wait, Cat. Go, go, go.
I'm gonna beat you on the zip line. I'm gonna go. Bro, what you doing down there? Doing little Timmy? Little Timmy? Little Timmy? Little Timmy? What's little Timmy doing down there?
Bro, I can go run the whole map on the zip line. Man.
Bro.
What?
I'm gonna let my sister play for like a couple seconds, but I'll be back. Huh?
Alright.
Like actually, just a couple seconds.
Okay.
Maybe like 5 minutes, that's it. Okay. Oh, hold on, let me go get it. Ariana!
Guys, this is weird. Guys, I was so close. Did y'all see that? I was so close to getting it. I was so close to getting it. I almost fell. Guys, watch this. I can go back. If y'all want to meet me when I'm doing a live stream, y'all can join. Man, I missed it. Ow, that hurt. He got disconnected. Well, guys, that was nice. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.